Hey, good morning. James Furlo here. I am sitting outside one of our latest flips, and we bought it about 3 months ago, and the people who are occupying it have finally moved out, and there's a little bit of cleanup that has to happen. So let me show you what my project is going to be for the next day or two. It's actually not going to be too hard. It's just a lot. You'll see. Just like most of these projects, when someone has to leave, they tend to leave a lot of stuff behind. Walking into the living room, the kitchen, it'll all clean up pretty fast. This room, you cannot capture it on video, but it smells really, really bad. The mud room, I guess? The bedroom, kind of an interesting design choice. Bathroom, just not a lot of stuff, but just kind of gross. That's what we're looking at.
2 weeks later.
Okay, it has been a couple of weeks and I have a confession to make. I grossly underestimated how much effort it would take to actually clear this place out. It was so much stuff. It's unbelievable. Let me show you what I'm talking about. When we first got started, we were debating on whether or not to get the large 30-yard dumpster or the medium size, and turns out getting the large was the right call. Look at that. We completely filled this thing to the brim. And this is in addition to the 26 square foot moving truck that they also took. Unbelievable. So I think one of my lessons from this project is to not always go for the DIY stuff myself, because this took a lot of time and energy. I'm not sure it was the highest and best use of my time, but it was definitely the cheapest, so I'll take that. I've got another run to take of recyclables. I've already taken some, got $110 out of that, so that's cool. But this entire place, man, it looks really good now. I always feel good about putting in the effort. I know it's a lot of time and energy, but man, when it's done, it always feels really good. So I'm super pumped about this project. I think the new guy moving in is gonna absolutely love it. He still has a lot of work to do, which was the entire plan, and I think it's gonna treat him really well. Just set him up for great investments going forward in the future. I'm super happy that we got to work with him on this, and yeah, I think it's gonna be a great experience for him.